I love these messages. It's me and this butterfly, right? I've been petting this butterfly. And it just, the way its wings, now watch what it do. Here we go. I can't see it. You see what his wing doing? Hold on. Now wait till it open up though. Look at that part in itself. Let me get it to open up again. Man, it was just doing the shit, man. What you see what it's doing, but it was... Man, hold on, I got it. This is embarrassing. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Look how beautiful. Look. You know what I'm thinking about. This is the lessons I like. And I was just thinking, look, there it is. Opening up. Oh, she got a grip on her. Look. Just pulsating on the neck. This is nature, man. I'm just making the video of what's going on. Y'all don't even know this going on. Me and a butterfly got a word for y'all. And you know who you are. This resonate. I ain't gonna get too far with it, butterfly. They seen enough. But yeah. I like that video.